We checked and double checked and triple checked and oh my God, went over it over and over again.
Epidemiologist Parvati Singh and her team found infant mortality in the United States rose after access to abortion became increasingly restricted with the Supreme Court's Dobbs ruling in 2022.
There were about 250 on average additional infant deaths, and about 80% of those statistically corresponded with infant mortality from congenital anomalies.
The study did not look at individual cases, but Singh says the data would include cases where it's likely an abortion would be needed. A key concern is what the trend means for people carrying these pregnancies to term.
The mental health toll, the hospital bill, medical care bill, all of that we haven't even looked at. We have just looked at the most extreme outcome. And so for people dealing with all that, I can't even imagine.
The issue of abortion access is front and center in the U.S. election, with voters ranking it among their most pressing ballot box issues. Trump touts his judicial victory that now allows individual states make the decision, while Harris says she'll reinstate the protections of Roe v. Wade.
Women's study professor Mirinda Green-Barteet worries about the cascading health effects.
It's concerning. I think that women, with the advice of their doctors, should be able to make appropriate medical decisions for themselves.
And says Canadians should be aware of what's at stake.
I think that the primary impact on Canadian culture is that people who define themselves as pro-life feel more empowered to make their opinions known, perhaps in places where it's not appropriate.
What we are finding could just be the tip of the iceberg.
Katherine Ward, Global News, Toronto.